Stick around for the next episode of the Idaho BDR Series, where we actually ride in Idaho for the first time. Hopefully I have the willpower to make the video.
It's been
8 months. It's been 8 months.
Did mans just make a bare naked ladies reference in 2022? Well, listen up, liberal. I got a job pumping jets full of fuel. And then I got really tired when I was doing that, so I kind of stopped making videos for like a long time. We're back.
Us with our bikes all by the side by side.
Yeah.
And then the little dirt bikes over here.
On day 3, we woke up in Jarbidge, Nevada, and we're heading over the border to Glens Ferry in Idaho. The riding right before Jarbidge was pretty cool, but right after it gets really cool.
Delicious. Finally. Some good fucking
riding.
We followed this beautiful twisty canyon road that was all dirt, and when we stopped to pull out the drone to get some good shots, we actually saw 2 other adventure riders heading in the same direction.
Whipping out the drone ski.
Military grade optics.
At this point, we crossed over the border, and southern Idaho is pretty flat and boring. I get why most people just skip this section altogether. Here's a quick shout out to Scott for bringing his drone, because he got some pretty cool shots there. His YouTube channel name is called That Motorcycle Guy Adventures. He also just started a drone services company called The Grateful Drone. Make sure to check it out if you need drone services done in the San Francisco Bay Area or beyond. Links to his YouTube channel and his company are in the description box below.
Hey, we're halfway there. Halfway where? To Glens Ferry, sorry. Maybe a little more than halfway. They considered that a highway. Do you see the sign?
It's so boring out here that the Air Force uses the area for training. There wasn't a whole lot in Glens Ferry going on except for lunch and determining that we could make it to Anderson Reservoir before dark.
Wow.
Probably fucking nutted himself. Besides, I had to do it for the gram.
That ain't going anywhere.
After securing my buns, we hit some pretty interesting terrain with some sand here and there, but it definitely got a lot cooler once we got to the actual reservoir.
Holy shit. This Idaho things.
When we got to the reservoir and set up our camping stuff, we met a guy who had a brand new Africa Twin, and he was doing the Idaho BDR by himself, which was respectable. After chatting with him for a bit, we made our baked beans and pulled pork for the night.
Did you burn your tongue?
Oh yeah. That'll be like popcorn.
And got prepared for day 4 of the trip. Thanks for watching another one of these videos. Again, I sure hope that I can get the motivation and willpower to make the next one. I really think I will, but just a matter of time. And in the meantime, watch me climb and sit on some massive aluminum balls.